I say I think it's the same. It's again, it's that same actionable skill of saying, well, user first. How do we make this harder, better, faster, stronger? And who do we need to employ in this room to make that happen? The 360-degree view.
Absolutely.
Yeah,
Shout out
I think.
Kanye West for that song. Harder, better,
Oh,
faster, stronger. Doom,
all
that don't kill me, you make me stronger. Good
right. Well,
job.
I'm gonna give props to Daft Punk for that one. Whoever wants to start that debate, but all
That's
right.
awesome. I don't know who that is. I'm gonna Google it now though. Come on, bring the
It's
culture to me, Andrew. Let's
It's
learn
Daft Punk. It's
together.
Daft Punk. It's cool. All right. All right.
Awesome.
Yeah. So harder, better, faster, stronger. That's our hashtag for today, if you can fit that in. And but really, that's really what it takes, right? We're talking about communication and how do we make this thing run lean all the time. We have a lot of data we're throwing around with machine learning and AI. It's even bigger. I mean, I think we're also like DevOps, site reliability, that kind of stuff is all about keeping code clean, keeping things steadily moving around. And then, I mean, even down to stuff like quantum computing, which is just complete science based on that I have no idea what I'm talking about. But I know it's all about making things run faster, getting data into smaller areas. And we're going to
True.
need that more and more because we're becoming more and more dependent on
We're
technology.
bombarded with information that's not even relevant. Like, I did a 23andMe, excuse me, a couple of years ago, and now it's like, hey, would you like to know, why you like sour food? Did you know 23% of people? And I'm like, I don't care. Like, it's interesting though. But let me transition a little bit too, because we're talking about, top 10 skills. We talked about user research. Of course, that's my go-to because that's what
Yeah,
I do all the
absolutely.
time. But I
Hmm.
also want to talk about market research. 'Cause they're
Yeah,
different.
market research,
It is
absolutely.
extremely important to know what your competitors are doing in the industry. Not that you're
Hmm.
mimicking them or anything, but on a regular basis, I'm looking at our competitors to see how they're using their algorithms, how their, machine learning and their, roadmap. Like, what do they have going on for the next 2 years? How can we as an organization make sure that we stay ahead? Because that's what it's about, right? In a sense, it's a competitor. But I think it's really important to know what's going on around you
I
with
agree.
your competitors, so
Yeah, I agree. And I think that's, as a product designer, when we're in in the research aspect of our discovery work, competitive analysis is very important. SWOT analysis is a way to understand who are your competitors out there, what are the strengths and weaknesses and opportunities and threats that they provide, and understanding what the landscape looks like. I need to know not just, oh, we have a great product because it helps our users, but why are they using your product instead of someone else's? And what is the ability that a competitor may have to just turn a switch and say, all right, well, Google spends a weekend putting some code down, and then now they just eclipsed you.